Hello everybody. I just want to welcome everybody to Algebra 1. We have officially made it through pre-algebra. We are now in Algebra 1. So, for those of you who have been with me since day one, I just want to thank you. You're amazing. Thank you to everybody, even if you've subscribed recently. And thank you to those who will subscribe in the future. Now, I also want to ask that if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free of charge, it'll cost you absolutely nothing, and it helps me grow my content. Helps me grow my channel, so please consider subscribing if you enjoy the content or if it's helped you in any way. So we are in Algebra 1 now. So having said all that, Algebra 1 assumes that you're comfortable with basic math. You're comfortable with fractions, decimals, order of operations, that you have a good grasp on it and you can handle it. So from this point forward, there will be no more review of those topics. Sure, Algebra 1 will have a little bit of pre-algebra review in it in the beginning, and the beginning will seem a little bit like pre-algebra again. But believe me, we are going to be moving into new stuff before you know it. We are going to be, of course, we'll review linear equations, but you're going to learn how to solve absolute value equations. You'll learn how to factor quadratic equations, how to solve quadratic equations, including using the quadratic formula. You'll learn how to solve systems of equations. You'll learn how to solve systems of inequalities. We'll talk about inequalities in general. What else are we going to do? We're going to talk more about functions. We're going to talk about equations of lines, slope, all that stuff. So, we have a lot more coming. Algebra 1 will run us through a good part all the way till about mid-late September. At which point the next course after Algebra 1 is Geometry, which is a lot more rigorous with proofs and a bunch of theorems and all kinds of things about geometry. And it goes... You think we've studied a lot of geometry so far? Wait till we get to the geometry course. It's a lot more rigorous. It goes into it in gory detail. So, it's important that you learn all the algebra here in Algebra 1 coming up, because geometry takes and applies that algebra. And we will do some applied problems in Algebra 1, but geometry assumes you're comfortable with Algebra 1. You can apply what you've learned to solving certain problems. So, that's what's coming. And again, I just want to thank everybody who's been with me so far, everybody who's joined recently, and everybody who will in the future. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free of charge. You'll get the notifications for when I go live if you enjoy it. Well, I don't go live when I upload a video, but if you enjoy it, you'll get notifications, or if it helps you, you'll get the notifications. And I thank everybody again. I will see you all soon. First lesson of Algebra 1 here is going to seem a lot like pre-algebra review. You're going to be given equations with variables and asked to substitute the value of the variable into the equation. We're going to go over that for the first lesson of Algebra 1. So stay tuned for that. I hope everybody has a good night. Take care.